Well, we decided to wander over here to this little Dorka pond. Now, we weren't sure if there was anything in it because this is when the lake was super high and ran over into here. Now the lake's super low and now we got a pond over here. We weren't sure if there was actually any fish in here, and there definitely is, because Dad had already caught one. That's pretty cool. Worth walking over here. And it was a decent walk, and we actually have everybody with us fishing. Usually those two don't like to come fishing with us, especially that one. Don't step backwards. Little goober. Yeah, usually that one only likes to go fishing in her bag. But yeah, there's fishies in here. Who knew? That's pretty cool. Only if we can get that one to behave and not try and grab them. Pain in the butt. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Cute little booger butt. Pain in the butt. Sorry, I forgot your bag. Next trip when we come fishing over here, I'll bring your bag, okay? Hey! Psst! Okay? I'll bring your bag next time, alright? I promise. It's in the car, I just didn't bring it. So I'll bring it next time. Next trip when we fish over here, okay? Alright, goober. Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. Different pond. Tempting. Almost threw it to the other side. This one's deep. We're out here a little later than usual. We did fish at 2 other ponds earlier, that you saw. And also a frickin' rain delay. Top of that mountain got dusted with evil, icky ass white shit. Not ready for that. We're gonna attempt to fish. Maybe we'll get at least one, would be great. I'm not gonna do the lure right now because it's so late. But hopefully we can both at least get one over here. We did pretty good at the other ponds. I forgot my camera, so didn't film too much over there. But we got a few over there at that pond. I honestly wasn't sure if there was anything in those ponds. And there definitely is. And not all dinkers either. It's really cool. Grizzly was, of course, a pain in the butt. Freaks out when we're fishing. Tries to go after the bobber. You throw it out. And then he tries to go after the fish when you're trying to bring it in. And then Daisy got real fond of fishing, but she didn't come along this time, but we did pretty good over there. And the next trip, I'll remember my freaking camera and we'll film over there. And then sitting here chit-chatting, guess what? I already got one! I wasn't sure what how cold it was. Hey! T.F.A again! There's the lake! There's the pond! Woo! Next trip I'm going to try a different lure. One of the guys that were here in the last trip was saying he was using a tiny crankbait. So I picked one up, $100 something. I'm going to try that next trip. It's a little too late right now. But yay, I got one! Now Dad just needs to get one. T.F.A. Oh, his bobber's already moving. Move my butt. Unhook this one real quick. Yeah, remember this coat had one. Oh, stop hitting the camera. Hey. Oh, I'm going to pull this string. This is how the heck do you do that? Stop getting in the knot. Tingles already. Good. Hey, you got going already. Almost double up. First cast for both of us. Yeah, but still, it's the first one that went out. Yay! That's got one too! That's the light. There. Now we both got one, so anything after this is a bonus. Yay! T.F.A. Not sure if we'll have a campfire. We've gotten too cold. Play that by ear, but good fishing so far. Either way, T.F.A. Heads off the boat, back in the bay, rebait it, throw it back out. Oh, you got another one with a missing fin. Ooh, nice back guy too. Yeah. He's got a little Nemo fin. Ah, that's funny. Yay! T.F.A. Good fishing so far. Oh, doesn't matter, just catch one, it's still good. T.F.A. Got the heads off the boat, turned around. Watch my bobber go running, and now I've got nothing. It's teasing me again as usual. I did have one. And it took my worm. You worm thiefer. T.F.A. I've got another one already. I'm going to be at our limit in a hurry. Oh, you had to give me. But, yay, T.F.A. It was cold, but you know, whatever. I might have one. My phone's going nuts, but we can get this one out real quick. We just about had double ups to end it. But his got off at the last minute. Still got mine at least. And we're over. It seems it's still got a worm. But yeah, I got another one at least. They're not dinkers today either. Really nice ones. I know it's hard to tell. Really nice ones today. But yay! Good T.F.A. day.